Zango Wallet sign up, how to open new Zango Wallet account. If you want to open up a new Zango Wallet account, download the Zengo crypto app and then simply open it up. This is the kind of interface you will see, so just tap on the continue button. First of all, make sure to enter the email address that you want to use for your Zengo account. So I'll go ahead and enter it, then tap the continue button. It will send you to verify your code, so check your email and tap to confirm. So you have 30 seconds to do that. Open up your email and simply check if you have received any verification code from Zengo over here, right? So we'll simply refresh it a couple of times. This is from Kraken and you can see Zengo. So go to Zengo and tap to confirm. Just tap on it. So when you tap to confirm it, it will give you this kind of loading screen. So let's just wait until this particular loading process is particularly complete. Now here you can see it is generating personal share and your secret shares. Now you have to take a screenshot of this or save it somewhere, and you should not share it with anyone. And secure your account with device lock, enable device lock, or you can use a fingerprint or authentication as such. And once you've done all this step, you'll be able to go ahead and then choose a password for yourself, and once then your Zengo wallet account will be successfully created. This way you can open up a new Zengo wallet account. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.